You've heard our very own Mike Daniels say it before, the warm before the storm.
Yeah, sounds pretty obvious, but not so fast, my friends. Meteorologist Alan Rose in studio tonight to explain exactly what this means. Alan.
Yeah, it's a catchy phrase, right? The warm before the storm, and it's used to explain how the warm sector of a storm precedes the cold and snowy part that follows. Now take a look at this graphic which shows jet stream winds moving over Colorado. These jet stream winds are at the higher levels of the atmosphere, typically found about 30 to 40,000 feet above sea level. The mean flow of the jet is from west to east in the northern hemisphere, but varies at times as storms tend to amplify or strengthen the jet stream. Think of the jet stream as being like a river of upper level winds. More simply put, it's the storm track. Now here, as we zoom in on the example, you're going to see the strong upper level winds are shown to move down the eastern side of the mountain slopes, or what we call the lee side of the mountains. Downslope wind carries colder, high density air from up aloft down the mountain slopes under the force of gravity. It's a process that's known as subsidence, and it can lead to dry, warm, and windy conditions. It's also the same process that can fuel devastating wildfires across the Front Range and throughout the western U.S. Now, long periods of subsidence can lead to poor air quality here in southern Colorado. This is common in winter when a high-pressure system with subsidence can sit over the Rockies, leading to what we call that brown cloud of pollution. That's not a problem today. You can see the current air quality here in the Colorado Springs area sitting at good. Always watching out for you, southern Colorado. Meteorologist Alan Rose, News 5.